In today's video, we install this rear lip on this F30 320 BMW, and we also talk about some of the difficulties buying things online sight unseen. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. As you can see, this is already installed, and the reason for that is because my intro and outro that I had got deleted or lost. I've been having some issues keeping all of my footage straight. So we are recording this a couple days after installing this. And one of the biggest things I wanted to go over with everybody on was how difficult it is to buy things online without being able to actually physically see them first. I've always told everybody if there was a store here locally that had all of my BMW upgrades, all the race car parts, I would be broke all the time. What stops me from buying a lot of stuff and just going completely broke is being nervous about fitment, how different things will fit with others. And without being able to see it in person, it's really difficult to be able to make that judgment call. Now, in this case, we bought a different spoiler and actually had to send it back. And I'm not sure what it is about this chassis, but most BMWs, so like let's go to an E46 chassis, which is what we work on most of the time on this channel, you have just a few options of lip spoilers. You have the little tiny kind of a generic black one, and that comes unpainted. It's just a plastic one, and you curve it to the trunk. And then you have things like a rocket bunny where it comes up really tall. And then you kind of have the OEM one, like something that goes on the M3. And if you go up to some of the newer models, again, you kind of just have the three options. You have that really cheap black one. You have one that fits similar to this. It's not quite this aggressive. And then you have the full out drift spoilers that they stick in the back. This car, for some reason, there's like 10 different rear trunk lid spoiler things. So you have to be really careful about which one you end up getting. So this is an example of one that we bought. And the problem is that the people making the listings just grab pictures off of Google. And so in one listing, just one eBay listing that has like 8 or 10 photos will actually show several different types of wings. So the one that we bought had a picture of this on the first photo, and then the other photos you could see was actually the wing that we bought. So just be super careful about when you're buying things like this. I'll have the link to this one in the description below. This is the high kick. I think that's what it's called, is the high kick, and it scoops up a lot more. And then we like this little cut down right here in the middle. There's a lot of them where this is actually out a lot further, and we didn't like that style as much. I think this makes the back of this car look absolutely fantastic. Now that I've done this project, there is a little bit of insight that I want to talk about. Use your own double back tape. Take the stuff that they give you and just throw it away. Go get another roll of it. These aren't very expensive, and so for you to spend an extra $7 or $8 on some double back tape is absolutely worth it. We're having a little bit of issues on that other side where the tape that they sent us is kind of got like gooey, like hot in the sun. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. But here is the install of this wing. Hope you enjoy. All right, everybody, that wraps up today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to follow us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. We're gonna be doing another giveaway this summer. It is through Super Clean. We'll be having the details of that on the Instagram, and all you have to do to be part of that is be following us on Instagram. That's where we'll be pulling the winner from, is from our follow list. Also, make sure to check out our shirts and hoodies. Have ones like this. The link to that is down in the description as well. If you have any comments or questions on today's video, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. The back of this car has come a long ways. I think this looks absolutely fantastic, and I think we're still in this about $150 or so. So that's pretty crazy to transform the back of this car so much. We do have more videos on this, more videos on the E46 race car. Stay tuned. We'll see everybody in the next video.